Okay, so we're starting off here in my room. As you can tell, I'm going to share with you before of what my room is looking like. I do need to clean it up, put a lot of stuff away, as you guys can tell. We did go camping, so I have those stuff out still. I think they need to be put away, and of course my bed needs to be made and straightened out, everything, wipe some stuff down. But the whole plan of today's video is that I'm going to go ahead and switch my bed around. So I'm going to be removing my bed from this black wall and switching it to this wall. You guys see over here, I did do like a little community tab or a little post over on Instagram if I should leave my bed like this or switch it out. I wanted to try something new and different. I don't remember ever having my bed in this position that I want to change it, switch it up to. So I did vote, have you guys vote over there if you guys follow me on Instagram. And a lot of you guys decided on I should try it and see how I like it. So I've had it like this for probably around 2 weeks, I think. So I'm finally going to share the video with you guys. I'm still indecisive if I like it like this. I kind of like it, but then I don't know, there's something that is telling me to switch it back. But yeah, so we're just gonna go through everything here. I had also received this package from Hobby Lobby, items for fall that I had ordered. I received it before we went on our camping trip, but I wasn't able to like look at the things, so I just want to go ahead and do a quick peek there. So we're just looking through those really quick. I'm so excited for all my fall decor, but we're gonna go ahead and continue the room. I do have to remove a lot of stuff in order to be able to move the room around. But if you guys are new over here, welcome. My name is Irma, and I am just sharing some cleaning motivation as well as redecorating and reorganizing. Of course, I have the itch to switch in here in our room, so that's what we're going to be doing. So I hope you guys enjoy.
And even now, when we are old, stay in my heart, 'cause I wanna know to move on. Even now, when time has passed, I owe you all, 'cause I could not bring myself to trial. Yeah, even now, when we are old, stay.
Now, I do need to mention that the treadmill is in my room right now because it's just summer and it's so hot, but this is not normally here in my room, so that's why I just had it like in front of the bed. I know once the treadmill is out of the room, it looks more like a room instead of a room slash gym type, but we normally have it in the garage, but it's so hot and I want to continue trying to do my steps and getting my workouts. And so I did just like I think probably it was the end of last month that I had my husband help me bring it in to our bedroom. So that's why we have the treadmill in here for now. But I've never ever had it in my room. I've always just left it in the garage. But this time I did add it to the garage. But here I am. I'm just gonna move the dresser and then this window shutter that we have here on the side of our window or our wall. And then of course I have to move the dresser because where the dresser is at is where I want to put our bed. So our bed will be like headboard towards this wall and facing the window.
That I did not deserve. I am so amazed by all you have done. I cannot explain the depth of your love. Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love.
So in order for me to be able to move the bed, I do have to take the whole thing apart as I'm removing the mattress, the box springs, and so on. But if you guys take a closer look, you guys can see behind our headboard, there is a mirror back there and it's in the darker wood color. That is the color that my bedroom furniture previously was in before I decided to paint it into this creamy beige color. I do get a lot of questions asked if I had painted it, if I had a video about it. I do not have a video on painting this bed because I did actually paint my bed like way before I started doing YouTube. But you guys can see in the back over there the color of our mirror that belongs to our dresser, the big dresser, and it's still its original color. And I just save it in the back in case I ever want to use it, and then I could just repaint it so it matches the furniture. But for now, it's just back there.
At the depth of your love. Hallelujah. has made a way. Hallelujah. Forever I give thanks. Hallelujah. Love has made a way.
Okay, so the struggle of moving the bed is done. I have it on this side of the wall. Let me know what you guys are starting to think. Seeing it over here, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly add the nightstands. And then I add the other nightstand, and then I remembered that the mirror had to go behind the headboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly dust it off. You guys are gonna notice that the black wall here does need to have some touch-ups. So I will be doing that pretty soon. As I'm doing this voiceover, I have not done it, but I am thinking that I'm going to be doing it probably starting next week or so, because I do believe we have that paint color still. And then I just have to re-push my bed forward to be able to do the space, so I could go ahead and put our mirror back there.
Limits can't contain the heart of you, God. I'm amazed at the depth of your love. I'm amazed at the depth of your love. Yeah. In our world, embraced by the fate of us all. The writings on the wall, we were born and graced. I came upon a story in an old-time magazine.
So I'm going to go ahead and quickly start making my bed. I fluffed off the sheet, or the fitted sheet, after I applied the mattress. Then I'm just going to add the loose sheet, and then our comfort, of course, and then just do the piles of pillows that we always have on our bed, and then just like to add the extra little blankets on there.
And praise in our world, embraced by the fate of us all. The writings on the wall, we were born and raised. In the fight for freedom, many gave their lives. For a noble cause they all died. Now we must all remember all the heroes long gone past, as they watch us smiling from the skies. 'Cause we were born and raised in our world, embraced by the fate of us all. The writings on the wall, we were born and graced. We were born and graced. You've got me questioning my position. Am I just filling out? Taking space, not with as much grace. Am I a second choice of all the not Rolls Royce? Dresses and lace, help me now.
So I'm going to go ahead and quickly vacuum this corner of the room, so I could go ahead and take the big dresser and scoot it more down towards that side, because on the side of the dressers where I'm going to be putting the treadmill. But I think if I leave my room in this position that it is, I think once I remove the treadmill, I'll probably slide the dresser a little bit more down, so it's like more centered with the window instead of at the far corner. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly push the furniture over, and then we'll go ahead and lay the treadmill.
One woman to another, but we all work hard
not gonna lie, with the treadmill here in this spot where it's at now, I just love it a whole lot more better than when my bed was turned around towards the black wall and the treadmill was right in front, because when I'm on my treadmill, I like to watch like YouTube channels. So it was so much easier for me having it here because I could just practically look straight towards the TV instead of when it was in front of my bed. I literally had to like be walking and have my head turned to just one side, so that was kind of annoying. But since it's in front of the window now, I could just practically look straight towards the TV. But now here we went ahead and add the lamps as well. I'm not sure if I want to add the shutters to the side, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what it looks like with it and without it, and let me know what the little votes or comment down below.
Flowers at the market. Well, let her have a shot. Ooh.
So I went ahead and hanged that one up. I'm still indecisive, but I still feel like I want to hang them up because I feel that without it, if you can see over there, it looks a little bit more plain, light, and airy. And I feel with it, it adds a little bit more dimension, coziness, warmth, which is more my style. So I did add that there, and the lamp is on. I just think it's gonna look better, even though you could tell it's white on white pretty much. But like I mentioned, this panel here is a little bit more cream beige color and not like a really white like the wall is. But I did hang it up that height, but I'm kind of thinking probably should have brought it down a little bit lower to like around right here. So I think I'm gonna just lower it a little bit then. So I did do a little voting poll over on Instagram as well, and I shared a before picture of the room, well, this side of the bed without the shutters there, and then I did share it with the shutters up there. My highest vote was to add the shutters, but then I also mentioned that I was probably going to add some mirrors. So I did finally get my hands on some mirrors that I'm going to hang there. The mirrors do have like a gold, like an antique gold style frame, and I think they're really cute. I did pick those up at Burlington. They were for 20 bucks plus my 30% discount, so I practically got one for free because I got those two mirrors, which were 20 bucks each, which is $40. And then I did buy a gold trash can, a little trash bin for the kids' bathroom, and I paid, the trash bin was like $9 around there, and I did pay like 30 some dollars. So I am gonna end up switching them out. The day I'm doing this voiceover, I plan on switching it out to the mirrors and see what that looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and share that over on my Instagram. If you guys follow me over there, if not, go ahead and check the description box. My handle link is in the description box for my Instagram. I always share little behind the scenes and stuff like that over there, so you guys should definitely go ahead and click that so you guys can see things and help me vote.
My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pouring rain. You shower your love on everyone with a power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come undone. You are
I went ahead and hang the Love Never Fails frames that I had on the white wall here. I like the way that looks, like the contrast and the big frame on this black wall. I really like the way that looks Once again, the dresser, once the treadmill is out, it's not going to stay all the way towards this corner. I do want to center it a little bit more to be in front of the bed, but I went ahead and did a little bit of decor on top of there just to bring in some warmth over here on this side. I don't think I'm going to hang anything above the wall in this area because, like I mentioned, I do want to move the dresser over afterwards. And then I did add my diffuser, and then you guys see I was just fixing some hats there at the corner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and quickly vacuum this corner or this area here, and I'm gonna bring back my fiddle leaf plant and then just go ahead and put it in the corner in front of the mirror.
Lover of all things, my Redeemer, bearing all my pain, you are Jesus.
So now is the reveal of how our bedroom is looking. Once again, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have seen my bedroom when it's clean and fixed, like the bed is made and everything, the way I used to have my bed before towards the black wall. Let me know which way do you guys prefer it, or looks better, if like this or the other way. Looking back at the video, I kind of am like liking the way it looks like this, but I also know I like it the other way. But once again, I am gonna go ahead and switch out the window panels or the shutters and add the mirrors there. Those are going to be shown over on my Instagram. And then anyways, but let me go ahead and finish showing all of the afters to you guys. Don't forget to let me know which way, if I should leave it like this or switch it back. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys found the motivation, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.